This is MathBox's page 49. I'm going to show you how to quickly do it. Number one, if you're having trouble, it's a doubles fact. You can see that each side of this domino is the same. This side, right here, has 6. And this side, over here, has 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Number 2. It says, fill in the sum on the fact triangle. Write the fact family. Well, a sum, that's this missing part, and a sum in addition is the answer. So if I have 8 plus 5, what would that be? Start at 8, count up 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. My answer is 13, and now I have to write the fact family. I'm just going to start this way. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to do 8 plus 5 to equal 13. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Then I have to do the turnaround. 5 plus 8 equals 13. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Now, when I do subtraction, I always start at the top. 13, it doesn't matter which way I go, I'm going to start this way. 13 minus 8 has to equal 5. So I write that down. 13 minus 8 equals 5. And my last one, I have to just go the opposite way. I start at 13 again. 13 minus 5 has to equal 8. So I'll write that down. 13 minus 5 equals 8. Moving on to number 3. Again, the fact family. If you were paying attention in the last one, you should be able to do this one. So I am going to skip it. Moving over to number 4. If you want to pause on number 3 and do it, and then come to 4 when you're ready for 4, that would be great. So again, do 3, then come to 4. Number 4 says fill in the frames. Here's my rule. My rule is plus 7. So I'm going to start with what they give me. They give me 14. Well, 14 plus 7. I can start at 14 and count up 7. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I can start at 21 and count up 7. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I always want to check to make sure I'm on track because I don't want to get off track. I still want to check this one. If I start at 28 and count up 7, will I go to 35? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yay, I did it right. Start at 35 and go up 7. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Now, I don't have this one yet. And I'm going to go the opposite way of my arrow. And when I go the opposite of my arrow, I have to do the opposite of my rule. My rule is plus 7. I want to do minus 7. So I'm going to do 14 minus 7, which is 7. Okay? On to number 5. The total cost is 75 cents. I pay with $1. How much change do I get? So if I'm at a store and I buy a candy bar that costs 75 cents and I pay with $1, they're not just going to keep my dollar, they have to give me some back. Well, how would I know? Well, let's pretend that instead of a dollar bill, I used 4 quarters. Quarter, 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 right? That's the same as a $1 bill, right? So if the cost is 75 cents, I gave that away. I gave that to the clerk. So I gave 25, 50, 75 to the clerk or the cashier, which leaves me with that. So that's my change. So the answer in this one, the change I get, is 25 cents. Last problem. Question 6. It says circle the digit in the hundreds place. It's easy on these ones because I'm just going to say it. When I say the word 100, that's the number I circle. So look at the first one here. It's 128. Well, I said 100. This one over here is 972. I said 100. 972. Next one, 465. 400. And look at this last one, 2,425. Again, I say the word 100. 2,400. The 4 is my 100. Nice job.